careful.
Want me to net him?
Me and my girlfriend were heading offshore to go try to catch some mahi-mahi. We ended up seeing a bunch of these guys right here. Noticed there was a bunch of cobias on them, started casting, and they were just biting anything we threw in the water.
Buddy? Yeah, you're at least like 15.
Yeah.
15 feet long. Cobia on it. Cobia was on it. Look. Got him.
Oh, yeah.
He's jumping out of the water. He might be a bigger one. That helped me out. Here he is right here. Might be a little small guy.
Want me to net him? He's big.
Be careful.
Sorry.
I think you got a hook in it, Matt. I'm gonna try to get it. Because you guys, these are actually.
Is it this little thing?
Yep.
Let me get a picture.
See you later, buddy.
Bye-bye.
Woo!
There he goes.
Took my bite. Oh, never mind. Unless it's just for you. There's tons of seaweed right here.
Yeah, there really is.
Oh, there's one there. Oh my god. One down right there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I see something in the water. Oh, look, there's a baby. Look all these cobias.
Other one? Oh.
He's just hanging out. He's got a little pink thing on the front of him, see it?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, there's another. Oh my god, look at this one right here. Holy shit, look.
Oh my god. That was so cool. Is that something?
Yeah.
Put in neutral?
Oh, yeah. That's what they mean going green. Imagine a big one of these. You know?
Yeah, that'd be crazy.
Yeah, I went through his eye. No wonder he's pissed. Get this guy back in the water. He's only about 25 to inch to fork. Little cobia, big mouths, big attitudes, pretty fish. Looking like somebody got some line around him, because that wasn't me. So he's had some battle scars. Whew.
I think they might be traveling like groups.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. In the future, I'm going to be making videos on how to catch certain fish. So if you want to watch awesome fishing videos or learn how to catch certain fish, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.